Now, something that a lot of people will not do and don't really know that they can do is restore their body, reduce tension, reduce stress, calm down the nervous system before going to bed. Makes a huge difference if you do that before 5 minutes before getting into bed, where you want to go to sleep pretty quickly. So, two movements, they're really the same variation of the same thing. You want some sort of chair or couch that you can lay on on the ground and put your feet up on there. And that's it. Legs on a chair, legs on a couch, 5 minutes minimum. Now, you can do this for half an hour. This is a great way to take a nap. Basically, this will get you feeling more relaxed, more grounded, more calmed down, more and more present in a very short amount of time. Great to do before bed. If you have a wall or a mirror, then doing legs up on a wall is also going to work really, really well. Now, you may not have the flexibility for this. It takes a little bit more effort, but it's a little bit more effective. Just depends if it works for you. So between these two, the legs go above your body on a wall, a chair, a couch. This one's probably going to be more like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and you'll be kind of done. You can do different stretches and take your feet out. You can play, but basically calm down, wind down by getting your feet up above your heart and body on a chair, on a couch, on a wall. Restore, sleep better, wake up feeling better the next day.